Using a plugin. There are a number of plugins that work to change all URLs in your database. The following video walks you through how to update your URLs using the Search and Replace plugin. This example changes the URLs in the database from https www.fourthstreetconsulting.com to https www.fourthstreetconsulting.com/blog. Step 1. First, make a backup of your database. Just in case something goes wrong, you can easily replace your old database data. Step 2. Download the Better Search and Replace plugin. In your panel, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Step 3. Search for Better Search Replace. Step 4. Click Install Now. Step 5. Click Activate. Step 6. In your panel, navigate to the plugin under Tools, Better Search Replace. Step 7. Click the Search Replace tab. Step 8. In the first field titled Search For, enter your current URL, for example, https www.fourthstreetconsulting.com. In the second field titled Replace With, your new URL, for example, https www.fourthstreetconsulting.com/blog. Step 10. Select all tables. Step 11. You probably want to leave Replace GUIDs unchecked. View the following article for further details. Step 12. Verify the box titled Run as Dry Run is checked. If not, make sure to check it for the first time. Step 13. Click Run Search Replace. You should see a message at the top notifying you of what would have been updated if you did not check the dry run box. Step 15. If everything looks good, run the Search and Replace again with the Run as Dry Run box unchecked. Step 16. A confirmation will display notifying you of how many changes were made. All URLs in your database point to the new URL.